Hey people of YouTube, Wayne Hackman here, aka Whackstar. This is a train. And many of you who are watching are thinking, well, Wayne, what's so special about a railway train in Kenya on a line? Well, I'll tell you why. This particular line is part of the Lunatic line, a line that goes from Nairobi all the way to Uganda, and this is a branch that goes off to Kisumu. It goes actually past my house, about 30 kilometers that way. I'm excited because in my time in Kenya, and I've been in Kenya for 6 years now, I've never seen a train on this line. I was under the impression that the line was going to waste. It was of a narrower gauge, and people wanted to invest in the standard gauge. Well, last year, the Kenyan government announced, along with the youth service, that they're going to regenerate these lines. Now, as I've been driving up and down this line, I've been seeing more and more work being done, but I've not seen a train yet. And there you go. Here is a train. Although it's being loaded with earth at the moment, and I assume will be taken up the line to do repairs to the actual track, it's exciting to actually see work is being done. So in theory, in the not too distant future, I'll be able to get on a train at some point along this line, either go to Kisumu or to Nakuru, and maybe even to Nairobi on the old Lunatic line. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you might find that interesting. As always, please rate and subscribe to all of the things that YouTubers do, and maybe in later videos I'll actually show you what it's like to go on one of these trains. But we'll have to wait a few years before the lines are regenerated. Take care, see you soon. Bye.